Dave down at DRD Allotments. We're just going to give you a tour what we've done today on my day off. It looks like that's going to blow up, Warren, so that might need more stuff put on. Sorry about that. We've just been putting stuff down in the wind's coated. So basically, yeah, I'm going to give you a quick tour of what we've done today, and please don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. So I'll switch the cameras over and I'll take you around. Okay, we'll put this fence up, so that's up now. We've also cleared all this pot, made this so, as you know, there was a bed there, took that away. That's now got with cold frames and that, so got them up there. What we've done is the two beds that we've took the bed away from there and we'll move the two over there, so they're four together now. That gives them more room to go at the back of the thingy. And we started filling that one. So, you know, I'll give you a shot from up there if the sun lets us. You know, it's starting to look a lot tidier now. So that's it. I'll give another update next time I'm down. So thank you for watching, and as I said earlier, please don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. So bye for now.